So this is a continuation from the last video, part 284C3M1b7c8e12c8. So it's line 22f1fa19c3M1b7c8e12c8, Tri-Axial Ellipsoidal, Ellipsoidal, sorry, I can't say that word. Forces, formulas, core, UFO, 5D Wow Seti. It's first thing in the morning. Please excuse me. Okay, there's my alien radio signal here. This video is about keyword research, for the core design, fuel, power engine ideas, the formulas for the UFO spaceship, and the keywords hypersurface from quadratic and sphere is what we'll be covering in this one. Actually, there's probably a couple of videos with all that stuff on it. So December 18, 2012, today is the 31st. Okay, so, sorry, the 31st of December. The keyword Tri-Axial Ellipsoidal continues from the previous videos. Line 22f1fa19c3m1b7c8e12c8, Radiative transfer Spectral Radiance 5D Wow Seti. Quote from the diagram from Wiki. Tri-axial ellipsoidal with a distinct semi-axis length. C is greater than B, greater than A. December 18th, my thoughts. See the wings on the circles? Airlift technology for a round UFO shape with wings on it. Quotes, diagrams from Wiki. Yeah, that's what I thought of when I saw that. Quotes, diagrams from Wiki. Tri-axial ellipsoid with distinct semi-axis A, B, and C. Okay. There's some more of them. So this is ellipsoids of revolution, spheroid with a pair of equal semi-axis A and a distinct third semi-axis C, which is an axis of symmetry. The ellipsoid is oblate or prolate as C is less than or greater than A. Ellipsoid is an enclosed quadratic surface that is a three-dimensional analog of ellipse. The standard equation of ellipse centered at the origin of a Cartesian coordinate system is... I forgot to make this one a little bit bigger for you. There you go. See that? Okay, the points the points, all that, and that lie on the surface, and the line segments from the origin of these points are called the semi-principal axis of length A, B, C. They correspond to the semi-major axis and semi-minor axis of the appropriate ellipses. There are four distinct cases of which one is degenerate. Triaxial or rarely scalene ellipsoid. Oblate ellipsoid of revolution is oblate spheroid. Prolate ellipsoid of revolution is prolate spheroid, and the degenerate case of a sphere. Mathematical literature often uses ellipsoid in place of triaxial ellipsoid. Scientific literature, particularly geodesy, often uses ellipsoid in place of ellipsoid of revolution and only applies the adjective triaxial when treating the general case. Older literature uses spheroid in place of ellipsoid of revolution. Any planar cross-section passing through the center of an ellipsoid forms an ellipse on its surface. This degenerates to a circle for sections normal to the symmetry axis of an ellipsoid of revolution, or all sections when the ellipsoid degenerates to a sphere. December 18th, my thoughts. Keywords oblate plus prolate came up with our sphere designs for the core of the UFO spaceship in lines 22. Wow, data. Quote from Wiki continues. Any planar cross-section passing through the center of an ellipsoid forms an ellipse on its surface. This degenerates to a circle for sections normal to the symmetry axis of an ellipsoid of revolution, or all sections when the ellipsoid degenerates to a sphere, where A is a positive definite matrix and X and V are vectors. The eigenvectors are A define the principal directions of the ellipsoid, and the eigenvalues of A are the squares of the semi-axis. An invertible linear transformation applied to a sphere produces an ellipsoid which can be brought into the above standard form by a suitable rotation, a consequence of the polar decomposition. Also see spectral theorem. If the linear transformation is represented by a symmetrical 3-by matrix, then the eigenvectors of the matrix are orthogonal due to the spectral theorem and represent the directions of the axis of the ellipsoid. The lengths of the semi-axis are given by the eigenvalues. The singular value decomposition and polar decomposition are matrix compositions closely related to those geometric observations. December 18, my thoughts. Whew, sorry. Okay, so the key word in that data is cube plus matrix. This has come up in earlier WOW videos before lines 15. So that's before lines 15 data. In the WOW alien radio signal data. I have to do a cross-reference to see what the formulas are for it in relation to the current data. The other key word is rotation outside of the UFO spaceship. That was part of the design. The formula ideas are axis of the ellipsoid, 5 axial forces with bosons, Higgs, particle, and signal, plus mass. See formulas for this in lines 22, WOW data cross-reference. Formulas from the data. Last few videos are about radiation. I'm going to just make a note in my book here to do a cross-reference here. Last few videos are about radiation, transport energy, atomic energy, X-rays, microwaves, laser beams, liquid argon gas, neutrinos, fuel mixture formulas. From lines 15 to 22 in the WOW data. This has something to do with the core power of the UFO engine. I have a little bird on my tree outside that's chirping like crazy out there. He's trying to sing to us. Okay. So December 18th. The keyword quadratic from data leads to hypersurface in next video. Go sing somewhere else, please. Jeez. Thanks for watching.